Hello all, Stockfish just announced a new release, the version 18 of the strongest chess engine. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install it and use it inside En Croissant, and also how to create personalized bots with different strengths, so you can also use En Croissant to play against different levels of the Stockfish. To use Stockfish 18, it's very easy. You just need to go to En Croissant, and on the Engines tab over here, on the Engines tab, you just add a new one. Of course, over here I have cleaned them all, but if you have Stockfish 17, you need first to uninstall it, to remove it, okay? Don't forget that, otherwise it won't be able to install the new version automatically. So we just add new, as you already know. I think En Croissant also has prepared installation for several engines, either cloud or manually locally. We are going to use local to install different levels like bots from Stockfish. But for the moment, let's install the main one. Just press the button install. So just wait a bit. It's really fast. You don't need to go to their website, and Quasa deals with that for you. So it's very easy. It's user friendly, as Anquasa always like. So as you can see over here, the engine is already here. I suggest you go to the parameters over here and change this field for the strongest, because normally it proposes a bit more. It proposes to use well, I don't know, 3.6, 3.5. Okay, it's the maximum. It's enough to beat us. So let's go to the main board. And now we can analyze or play chess already with it. Let's go to analyze. Change over here on the top for the analysis tab. Just press play for Stockfish. It already is displaying the main line it's suggesting. You can go to the settings, add more lines. You can also change more colors. Let's say, for example, to use 2, 3, 8 colors, but just one, of course. It's very easy. You don't need to do a lot. You don't need to take a degree on this or a master class or something like that. You just need to enjoy it and play and analyze it with Stockfish. We can also play. Let's close this tab and open a new one. We can also play against Stockfish. Just change, for example, here black to engine. Let's keep the time to 3+2. This just allows him to use more time. So we play e4. Let's wait a bit, and the engine will reply, of course. He will adapt to the time that I have proposed. So 3+2. So as you can see, he's now playing against me. Of course, I'm going to win, so I need to stop it now. Okay, this was how to use Stockfish directly without further details, without much trouble, and it's very fast. Now, let's see over here how to use it like a bot with different levels. Well, for that, we should go to the Stockfish website. Of course, over here you can see here the news about the new release, Stockfish 18. If you want, you can also enter and read a bit about this major release. This is not a minor release. It already improves from the previous version 46 points. It continues to dominate chess engine tournament. So we are talking about the strongest of the strongest. And of course, more than the 46 points, it's already performing 4 times better than before. So it's already very good. It has optimized the use of the memory, the evaluation, so you get it faster to the evaluations, and so it's a big update. But we are more interested, because we want to build it also in different levels, to use the download. You just go to the download page. Now you choose what's the one you want to download. I have downloaded already. I have already downloaded, extracted, and placed it on this folder, Stockfish 18, inside program files of my local disk. And I am very interested on the executable file, so the application file. This is the file that I want to duplicate. So you just duplicate it as you wish. You can do it automatically, Control C, Control V, or copy and then paste. Okay. And after it passes, because we need one copy of of the application for each level I want to personalize. So over here, I'm just going to change the name. So it's I know this one is for 1200. Now I am going to duplicate it again and pass it again, and again I will personalize it. Okay, so this is more or less what I have to do to have different versions of Stockfish playing. Okay, let me refresh to see. Okay, 1200 and 1500, just these two, don't need to be here more time. So let's open again En Croissant. Okay, full screen again, and I go to the engines again, and now I have new, but instead of downloading, of course, I can just download one version. I go to local. Now I need to go to the binary file. So over here, I need to come down to the place where I have my Stockfish program files and Stockfish 18, where it is. Okay, it's over here, and I select my first one. 1200. Okay, now I can name it Stockfish 18. 18, yes, maybe 1200. And now the yellow for the engine, 1200. And I can even add one image that I have also placed over here. Okay, so I don't need to waste more time with you, but you can create a 60 per 60 pixel image to use. And as you can see over here, I have a new version. Well, the image is too small to see, but whatever. And let me just add the other one. So again, let me go back here and select the 1500. Okay, 1500 and 1500 over here. And of course, a different image. Let's go for the 1500 and add. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I now have three versions. Let me just confirm the UCI Elo parameter. Let me change this for 1200 over here, and on this one to 1500. And we are good to go. So again, I can go to analysis board and again, select analysis tab. Of course, let me just make two moves over here. And as you can see now, we have three engines. We have Stockfish with the default level of the automatical installation. And I already now have here one plus more, where I can do some settings to adapt it, of course. And as you can see, I have already using this one. But this is more interesting when we want to play chess. Let's say, for example, now I want to play again, but instead of wanting to play with Stockfish, now you can see I have two more options. And let's say I can select the 1500 one, and the level of Stockfish will be decreased to a more understandable level for us. This is also useful if you want to test it, like for example, you are preparing some openings and you want to see how different level of players will reply to you. Well, you can use it in several ways. And I think you got it all, and I hope you enjoy. And of course, I will check with you in future videos. Bye bye.